So here we have an arithmetic progression with 10 terms, A1, A2, all the way up to A10. And then we also have 10 terms which are in harmonic progression. It's given here that the first term of the arithmetic progression, A1, and the first term of the harmonic progression, which is H1, both have a value of 2. And the 10th term of both of the two progression is 3. So using this information, we need to find out the value of the product A4, which is the fourth term of the arithmetic progression, and H7, which is the seventh term of the harmonic progression. So let us begin. Now we'll start with the arithmetic progression. So here we have A1, A2, all the way up to A10. So this is an arithmetic progression. So here we are going to suppose the common difference. Let the common difference be denoted by the letter D in lowercase. Then we have A1, which is given as 2. We can find out the 10th term. The 10th term will be simply A plus 10 minus 1 times the common difference D. So A10, it's given here that the value corresponds to 3. So we have 3 equals to A. So A is nothing but the first term A1, which is 2. So we have 3 equals to 2 plus 9 times D. So solving for D, we get 1 over 9. So this is going to be the common difference of the arithmetic progression. Okay, fine. Now let's come to the harmonic progression here. So here it's given that H1, H2, all the way up to H10. So this is in harmonic progression. If this particular sequence is in harmonic progression, then the reciprocal of each term, so 1 over H1, 1 over H2, all the way up to the last term, which is 1 over H10, so these are going to be in arithmetic progression. So here, the first term will be the term which is given by 1 over H1. So since it's given here that the H1 value is equals to 2, so the first term of this arithmetic progression is going to be 1/2. So let us suppose that common difference be denoted by the letter D in uppercase. Now we have the 10th term of the arithmetic progression. So let's find out the 10th term of the arithmetic progressions. So this will be equals to, how do we find out? So that's simply 1 over H1. So this is going to be the first term plus the 10th term, means we have 10 minus 1 times the common difference D. The 10th term of the harmonic progression is 3. That is, the H10 value equals to 3, which means that the 10th term of the corresponding arithmetic progression will be 1 over 3. Now that means we have, since we have defined the 10th term of the AP, so 1 over 3 will be equals to 1 over H1. So H1 is 2, added to 9 times D. Now when we solve for D, so we have 9D equals to 1/3 minus half. So that corresponds to D value equals to negative 1 over 54. So this is going to be the common difference. Fine. So we have found out the common difference small d from the first arithmetic progression that came out to be 1 over 9, and then we have the D value from the second harmonic progression, so that came out to be negative 1 over 54. Now since we have to find out the value of the product A4 and H7, let's try to find out the fourth term of the arithmetic progression and the seventh term of the harmonic progression. Fine. So the fourth term A4 is simply defined as A1 plus 4 minus 1 times the common difference D. So the first term, that's 2. We have 2 plus 3 times the common difference, 1 over 9. So we have 2 plus 1 over 3. So that gives us the value 7 over 3. So this is going to be our term A4. Then we'll have to use the harmonic progression. So we'll find out H5. So let's first find out the H7, or the seventh term of the arithmetic progression. That's why we're taking the reciprocal. So this is 1 over H1. So this will be the first term. Plus we have 7 minus 1 times the common difference. So common difference will be simply T. So we have 1 over H7. That's equals to half added to 6 times negative 1 over 54. So solving for H7. So H7 comes out to be 18 over 7. Now we'll finally find out the value. So thus A4 times h7, that will be 7 times 3 multiplied to 18 over 7. So 7 and 7 gets factored out. 3 times 6 is 18. The final value, it's going to be equals to 6. So this is the final value, or the product of the fourth term of the AP times the seventh term of the harmonic progression. It comes out to be 6.